Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels US J case. As far as I know, 6 cases arrived from Mattel. I'm filming them one by one, posting them as we go on different days, so I don't know exactly when this is going to go, but I've opened well, a bunch of stuff, so this is kind of fun. J case, I like to be a little bit surprised, but like I said, Mattel sent these. And I've said probably before every one of these unboxings, these come when they come. Sometimes the cases are late, sometimes they're probably considered a little early. I'll never be the first to do an unboxing because when Mattel sends stuff, it comes directly from their distribution center, which means these are in the US. Some of our friends that unbox, they're in Asia, they have quicker access to these. But we can see what is gonna hit stores here in the US because this is the same case that will go to Walmart, Target, whatever else, and that is the J case. I think some people have said that they have found the J case in stores. I know it's been seen overseas, but this is a very, very, very loaded case, and we're going to see why just by starting with that. The 1986 Toyota van, brand new casting, already makes me a little breathless. Like, wow, that thing is incredible. Cannot wait to open this up. We'll do some highlights on that. We'll put that off to the side to do a highlight video later, open it up. And then right after that, look at this thing. 94 Bugatti EB110 SS. Love this casting from last year. Love the yellow version with the black 10 spokes earlier, and now we have this beautiful version in gray with those disc wheels or whatever. Oh my gosh, that is just so cool. That might be the best version yet. And the mod rod. Broken Promises, that doesn't look too bad either. Man, that's a nice little batch. Good way to start. Coupe clip. Ford Mustang Mach E 1400. This will also be a Zamac in some of the Walmart J cases. And then the custom small block. Get those off to the side. Coupe clip recolors, really cool. All right, Turbine Sublime. That is a new casting. That's kind of cool. Obviously, there's a turbine in there somewhere. GT Scorcher in green. That is based. I mean, that's got the. Looks like it's got the. What else is that? It says Vaughn. I don't know. That's coils. This was built by Ryu. To kind of is kind of a generic version of like the Super Silhouette. And then there's another Ford Mustang, which is cool. Gotta go. All right, I will admit that I don't know if I'm putting the Zamac case up, but I did open a Zamac J case and did not realize that the Gotta Go is the treasure hunt. Notice that? There's the symbol in the back. So I just looked at it and said, oh, that's cool, and then I went on, and I'm sure there's going to be some comments there that you missed it. There's the Chevy Fleet line, and look at this. The LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2, one of the longest names on the planet. This one was in Liberty Walk deco last year. Right now it comes in the very cool Hot Wheels Racing deco. So Treasure Hunt plus the Liberty Walk. This would have been a highlight, but it was a highlight in the last case. And we'll just keep going. Subaru RRX again. There's that Toyota van, so you know we have 2 in this case. And look at that, the recolor of the Toyota Tacoma. It just keeps coming. It just keeps coming. Highlight after highlight after highlight after highlight after highlight. It seems like in every one, including that. Bully Goat. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. This is a recolor of the Legends winner. Looks great in red. First was in white, and look at this. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. This thing's so cool. Based on the actual Ken Mary Skyline done by Liberty Walk. It was a few years ago. We've seen other companies, mainly from Asia, do this one. Aoshima might have done it, maybe Kyosho, I can't remember, but this is really cool, and Hot Wheels version is nice. It's got the tilted headlights, got the cool deco in the back. That's just it just keeps coming. What a case this is. The last case I didn't think was great. What was it? The H case? They don't do, so this is J. They don't do I because I looks like 1, so they want to go with letters that are definitely letters. There's a recolor of the Jeep Gladiator. We've seen that. Trek Ripper and the Tesla Roadster. We've seen that. That's why sometimes you wonder, why did we skip I? We didn't. It's just the order they go. Locomotive in gold. We've seen that. Ford Mustang again. We've seen the Back to the Future Time Machine, the DeLorean as well. Shelby Cobra. MST Suzuka, and the 68 Dodge Dart. Whoop! All of these fell over. See if I can... Well, now the mess is going to start. This is what happens sometimes. Everything balances. You might hear a big crash here very soon. There's another Tesla. Recolor of the Ford GT Mark IV and the Range Rover. I think we've seen all of those. Super WRX in red again. Track Manga and the Rocket Box. And then to finish off this first half of this case, there's the Jag F-Type from the last case, which would be the Super in the last case. Track Ripper. And there's a recolor of the TV series Batmobile in blue. Goes from black to blue. People have enjoyed that casting. I think it's leaked as a Super in 23. That will be a fun one. All right, let's see what we got over here. Got a car that got moved over. And the highlights keep coming. Fast Fish is nice with this 95 Mazda RX-7 and Falcon livery. How great is that? I have not collected all the Falcon livery cars. I feel like I should have. I don't think it would be hard for me to fill in some of the gaps. But that RX-7 is a definite highlight, so put that off to the side. Bully Goat again. There's the Fast Gas, and check this out. Automobile Pininfarina Battista. Mentioned in the Zamac unboxing I did that this one is actually, it's not a Hot Wheels, or it's not a new model, because this was debuted in ID in that final batch that no one has found. Just a few hobby dealers. And that's been it. Kit Kart is cool. McLaren F1 GTR is also cool. Ford GT is super cool. All three of those are nice. Here's our friend who fell. And it's Ryu's good old sweet driver, the Cupcake. Let's move that over. And another highlight is the Honda Super Cub little scooter, which will be fun to open and see what that thing is all about. And then there's the Bricking Speed. Highlight pile keeps getting bigger. Back to the Future Time Machine. Track Manga, there's the Ford Bronco. There's the BMW R9T Racer with chrome spokes. 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV and the Range Rover Classic. Ford GT, Shelby Cobra 427, and the Velociraptor. Now we're finding some stuff's kind of evening out a little bit. Breaking Speed, we've already seen the Audi RS e-tron GT, which I love, and the Volkswagen Baja Bug. Oh, ho, ho, ho! This case is loaded. LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe in white. Look at that thing. Liberty Walk. We said this last year in Liberty Walk, but also in a Mad Mike livery. This is super clean in white. 10 spokes. Headlights. Very, very clean. Doesn't get the taillights, but I think that one is super nice. There's that Jag again. And did you notice? We pulled ourselves a Super. There's the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT Super Treasure Hunt. That thing is fantastic. I love pulling Supers, but who doesn't? In fact, Mattel sent me the Supers to showcase. This is one they didn't send, and somehow it showed up in this one. That was super cool. This one has that, we'll open it up at this one. Well, I'll open it up with the other Supers. I don't think I'll open it up with the highlights. And I don't think we have another one here to compare. I did pull it out of the Zamac, not the Super, but the regular version has J5 wheels on it. But there you go. Super Treasure Hunt. We'll have to compare later, but that is very cool. And this is definitely a highlight as well. We'll put the Jag over here. DiMacchini Veloci is fantastic. Turbine Sublime again, and there is the Ford Bronco. Volkswagen Baja Bug, Blade Raider, and the Jeep Cherokee from the last case. And we finish off with the See Me Rollin', McLaren F1 GTR, and the DiMacchini Veloci. Highlights? You want to see them? It's loaded. It's loaded. Lamborghini. Mustang Super Treasure Hunt. Honda Super Cub. Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Mazda RX-7 and Falcon livery. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Ken Mary Liberty Walk. Recolor of the Toyota Tacoma. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTR version 2. Your Gotta Go Treasure Hunt. The 86 Toyota van. And the fantastic 94 Bugatti EB110 SS. That's pretty loaded, right? Here at the end, I've got the J case behind me. I'll move over. The Zamac case. See if I can't find that Mustang. Found it. So here they are. So when you are looking at the J case, that's what they look like. I don't know, you might be fooled. If you're just looking at it like this and you're looking at the nose, you might say, yeah, you're going to have to give it a good look, right? Because the wheels, I mean, obviously the wheels are going to tell you, but there's the TH in the back. But the color of the Spectre Flame red on this is not too different from the red on that. But that is great. All right, there you go. That's your J case. Thanks, Mattel. It's hitting now. Go find yourself some cool stuff. This case has tons. Thanks, everybody. Bye.